Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time of coming across my video, do well to subscribe, turn on notification bell so whenever I drop videos you'll be the first to get it. So today's video, I'm not going to be staying too long, so I'll be teaching you how to use an AI tool to remove wrinkles from your dress, which we'll be using the Evoto AI. Then subsequent time I can teach on how to use Photoshop to remove wrinkles normally, which we'll be diving right into it. So when you open your pictures in Evoto, if you are using the laptop, you are going to see a slider this way showing like this. So when you come to this place that look like a dress, you just click on it. You are going to see option. Now automatically the Evoto AI already selected that this person is male, so it is highlighted already. So what we'll just do, just move the sliders, then in seconds we are done. Here now, see the wrinkle clothes, so you just try to move it and see the effect, just like that. You see, let me zoom in so you see a before and after. So before, after, before, after. We can actually move all slides down to 100. Before, after, before, after. This is how you can easily remove this with Evoto AI. Very simple and not difficult. So do it to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop videos you'll be the first to get it. Peace out, guys.